Hi guys, it's your boy Emmanuel Zion. You know, I don't always on my camera anyhow, but anytime I on my camera, there's good thing. This man here now is the pastor. Now, I know this man for a long time, almost 5 or 6 years. You know, why on my camera now? Because of, I see this man this morning. Because every shoe, anytime he want to buy a shoe, he always come to my shop. But today, I was very surprised seeing this logo. This man here is a pastor. So I asked him, say, oh God, this logo where is my own logo. I don't know how much now. So he starts telling me about this man. See, a pastor is not a Zionite, so he never come to Zion before. That now, every time he see my spiritual director, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, in the dream, having a in fact, no need for me to talk too much. Hear from the man.
Yeah, we bless God. This is my customer, he's my friend, he's an Igbo man. We live together in Togo. By the grace of God, I've been buying him shoe. This is almost 10 years now. But I was surprised when I came here to the shop. He saw the logo, Ebuka Obi logo. Although I have not seen Ebuka Obi for the first time. I have not encountered him, I mean physical encounter. But I have been seeing him in the realm of the spirit. I don't believe, I don't follow every man of God until I have encounter with you. By the grace of God, I have my church in Togo here. My church name is Deepening Christ Ministry.
Yes.
Anybody that knows Ejranawe Lome Togo, that is where the location of my church is. So last year, on the process of discussion, I started telling him the encounter I had. And by the grace of God, he told me that he's the media director here in Togo. And he showed me some videos. So last year, May, my sister died. That was February last year. And I needed to bury her. Close to April, before the burial, I was having some prayers. That the prayer took almost 4 days. The last day, I was having a rest. I was caught up in the realm of the spirit. But the situation was very, very rough. I was thinking of how I can bury my sister. So I was caught up in the realm of the spirit. I saw myself in our village. Then going to the place we have a football field, I saw Ebuka Obi, he was playing. And I went somewhere I had isolated. So he saw me, he was laughing. And that was my first time seeing him. But luckily, he played the ball. The ball now walked towards me. I trapped the ball. He said I should play it back, and I played it back. From the field, he started prophesying. He said, everybody should look at this man. He called me by my name. He said, from today, I want to declare to your village, to everybody to know that you are a great man.
In the dream. Oh.
In the dream. It wasn't, it was a trance. So I've never encountered him. That was my first time of having encounter with him, and it was in the realm. So he started declaring, prophesying that you're a great man, that I'm going to see a sign by that man. I was thinking the possibility of having that encounter with him. So, and I played back the ball. He now walked towards me. He started declaring, he laid hand on me. He said, I should mark it that from today, that people that that my generation will hear me that I'm a great man. So I was caught up in the realm of the spirit to the physical realm. I'm telling you the truth. I was in a situation I could not handle. How money came, I traveled by. I'm a member of a Paysetters Chaplain International Organization. By the grace of God, I am the disciplinary committee. I'm going to show us as one of my picture here when I was inaugurated. You can see.
Watch.
The first
close and showing them
of my inauguration. That is me.
In the dream. Oh.
So, and to be frankly speaking, not after that week, my international general said that they want to, confide to me a promotion to become a general. And that was after I encountered him. So, and they came all the way from people that came from Lagos. They came to my village after the burial on Sunday. bought my uniform, it was free. Bought the ranking, it was free. So they did it in the presence of everybody in the presence of everybody in my village. Look at it here.
Show them another one. The one you show me. Different ones.
Yeah, so I can show us different video. You can see these are policemen. Understand? So, and by the grace of God, I was surprised. They came. I didn't pay them any money. Even the Presbyterian church in our village, it was a mega program celebration. With ranking, with everything, it was free. So when I came back, by the grace of God, this was it on Friday. I've not seen him, but I said I came here to buy shoe. I think that was when. That was March.
Yeah, last
March. So I traveled after our 40 days praying and fasting. That was February, March. So I went to Lagos. I tried to see them, but I said, okay, let me, because of that day was not Wednesday, I just went to Zion.
Buy this logo.
Bought this logo. At least since I'm having a encounter with the man, let me just get it. You know. So, but today when I came, that was on last week Saturday against Sunday. I was in a difficult situation. He also came in the realm on that Saturday around 3 a.m. in the realm of the spirit. So I just came to see him. So he was seeing many people. He said they don't want to. I said no, you must see me because I need him to speak a word in my life. So surprisingly, he waited and waited. Later he called me. He started praying and laughing. And I was reminding him that you prophesied to me last year, and you told me that I'm going to be a great man. He laughed. He said that the time has come. Men and brethren, I am telling you, between that Saturday, on Sunday in our church, one of my evangelists and my wife, they prophesied. And it was in line to what the great man of God prophesied in my life, a confirmation. Between that Saturday, in my dream, between that Saturday till now, a lot of breakthrough, a lot of surprises is going on. So I said to myself, I will go to Nigeria. I don't know what people are saying concerning Arenchi. Me, I'm a witness. So I am coming there, live and direct, to tell the world that this man is a God sent.
Now, now, what do you have to tell people that used to say that Ebuka is a fake one of God, is doing arrange, or what do you? Because I know that from the beginning, you understand me. Before I on this my camera, it's full of this logo. Okay. You understand me? I told that I'm a full member. Yeah. I'm a Zionite.
And it's today that I just know that you remember.
Now I'm very surprised as I see this logo. You understand me? Now. You are not a Zionite. You are a pastor that have your own church.
I have my church.
You understand? That's why I'm very surprised.
Okay.
Now, what do you have to tell some people that are watching? People are saying that Ebuka is arranging, he's doing this, he's doing this. What do you have to say about
Listen to me. I don't know what people are saying. Like I said, I don't follow people anyhow. I have hosted Joshua Iginla. That was 2013. And I've hosted Omo by Bishop Michael Kongwa in Togo Demi. And I've hosted Bishop Rumaka. I am the coordinator here in the Nehemiah School of Ministry. I'm still a coordinator here. And by the grace of God, I was the former president of Igbo Pastors Forum. I don't follow people anyhow. And all these people that are saying Ebuka Obi is a fake man of God, RNG, I will send my church name, my church location, everything you can. I have never seen him in anywhere. I have never had encounter with him, but I'm telling us that this man of God is God sent. So if there are people, and great men, even Jesus, people say something, they call him a Beelzebub. They call him all kind of name. But I want to tell you that this man of God is God sent to this generation. So let us forget about those that are saying whatever. You know, look at Suleiman. Anytime people must talk, and that is the devil casting, instigating people. But as a Christian, we must, you design them by the Spirit of you. You don't just see a man of God, you begin to castigate this man. Like I said, I can beat my chest. I don't know the man. I have never seen him one-on-one. But only in the dream, he prophesied to me 2 times, and I'm seeing a lot of result. But I am coming live and direct in Zion. I am coming live, at least let the whole world see me, that I can be able to testify. I live in Togo here. You know Ejranawe?
Yes, I know.
As Lome. That
Yes.
is where our church is. So it's not a hiding thing. There is nothing like arranging. He doesn't know me. And it is today that I've seen my friend, a man, as my customer. So he is very proud of the man. And why we were talking, because of this logo.
Yes,
He was saying a lot of things. I said, he even encouraged me, say, this thing is in my mind, I must go there. So I will not say many things until when I come there with evidence of what has happened. The day he spoke a word, there are so many open doors which I cannot tell now. So, but I'm going to speak to the whole world. Let them know.
The rest will be in Zion.
Understand? The rest will be in Zion.
Yes.
I am coming live and direct. So thank you so much.
Okay, my friends, my brothers, my sisters, you know, like you carry evidence, you know, that's on my camera, and when this face now, mark is this face on the observing of Zion, because I know people when I say Kubulu wine, I know in my shop, yeah, because when I go my hair steady, when I see so many for years, here my first time. In here with this logo, Pastor.
You can see a pastor, as a member of chaplain.
Yes, show them.
National. That is me. So a lot of things are coming since the prophecy came. That is not physical. That is spiritual.
Yes.
So, and anytime, one thing about me is that anytime I am in a difficult situation, he appears. He will just speak a word, and after that, things will start turning around. So he is my spiritual director in the realm. I have never seen him, but I believe that very soon I will see him.
You will see him.
Yes.
So that's why I on my camera. Okay. So please share this video. Can they madu? Nde na ko asere. Can you do panya gere? Can you do one thing? No. I on my camera because schedule man am simba. Second video put my flowers. Can you pana? Ebuka nde na apo ya that go too small. Nde like Kriano, ndona gana mo na voja, unko man hana na carry. Nde na vo nde na cover no sense. So, Pastor,
No. I'm surprised, but the joy, you know, as we have known ourselves for 10 good years now. With the
why
joy,
I do it for evidence.
I'm
You
telling
understand me?
you,
So that
so
people, because I do surprise it. And this is that you understand me? Once can make a video, so I'm sure that now you're not annoyed, but I'm going to post the video.
No problem. No problem. Thank you.
No problem.
God bless you.
God.